Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we will be removing the stock Honda exhaust can and refitting with an aftermarket end can from DELKEVIC. It is a stainless steel 350mm long oval can with link pipe. So let's get this bike on a paddock stand and start removing some parts to give us access to the exhaust. We just need to start by removing the seat and side panels, but then we also need to remove the rear tailpiece in order to give us access to the end can mounting bolt, which is hidden behind the tailpiece, as can be seen here. As you can see, we have a guest on the channel today, Ian from Ian's Aerials, who has been a supporter and a subscriber from when I first started this channel. And I would just like to say a thank you for letting me use your bike today for this video. If you are currently a subscriber to the channel, a very big thank you for the support. Every like and subscribe really does help me out, as the channel is only still very small. So if you are a new viewer and you enjoy this video, please hit the like button and consider hitting the subscribe button. It's free to do and every subscribe really does make a difference. So enough of me waffling, let's get into it.
Hold on tight, I'm on my way, 'cause everything's perfect when I'm with you. But love is just a game you play, and I just need you to be true with me. 'Cause baby, I've just been following your voice just to see that you have been making me more paranoid. How about losing you forever? I can't imagine my life if I lose you forever. Cause baby, I've just been following your voice on tight, I'm on my way. 'Cause everything's perfect when I'm with you. But love is just a game you play. And I just need you
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, feel free to leave a comment, and hit the subscribe button if you'd like to see more of what's to come on this build series. It would really help a small channel out. Bye for now.